Tesla finally has an answer to Model 3 paint issues, but will it be enough to keep winter at bay? Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like this video to support us, and let's get started. The Tesla Model 3, Tesla's attainable and relatively inexpensive pure electric sedan for masses, appears to have a bit of penchant for developing paint issues in cold weather climates. I've seen many Tesla Model 3 owners report this issue in Tesla forums, on Tesla Reddit. Now, salting the roads during winter is a common practice in many areas of the country that see copious amounts of snow and ice each season, and the Model 3's paint doesn't seem to take too kindly to that. So as a result, people are reporting about that Tesla Model 3 has paint issues. In response to this paint issue, Tesla is rolling out a new all-weather protection kit for the Model 3 that couples a transparent protective film with mud flaps or splash guards to deflect debris away from the body. Each component, the mud flap and splash guard kit and the paint protection film kit, can be ordered individually from Tesla for $50, and instructions on how to install each are available on Tesla's website. The mud flap and splash guard kit features two different sizes of front mud flaps with all necessary installation hardware, giving customers a couple of options when it comes to mitigating paint damage from flying stones and road salts. The paint protection film kit features a sticky transparent film cut to cover the rear of each rocket panel just ahead of the wheel arches, and a squeegee to remove bubbles. It's a move in the right direction for Tesla, and the countermeasure that plenty of Model 3 owners have already shown to be effective to solve the Tesla Model 3's paint issues. But for some owners, the damage may already have been done, the paint issue damage. As we reported recently, for example, one Canadian owner is suing Tesla for some very premature weather damage to his 2019 Model 3's paint after the carmaker informed him that the issue is not covered by warranty, and scores of owners across the United States and Canada are raising similar complaints, paint issue complaints. We can fully understand the manufacturer not covering damage caused by using your Tesla Model 3 as a snowmobile, but basic perforation and rust-through coverage should be, I think, standard. What do you think? Do you think that should be standard? And do you think this paint kit from Tesla would help to weather the winter well? Will it be enough to keep the winter at bay? Have you had paint issues with your Tesla Model 3? Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below, friends. This is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like this video to show your support and appreciation of all the people who have been bringing these stories to us to chronicle Tesla at Torque News YouTube channel. And have a wonderful day, stay safe, and God bless you, and take good care of yourself and your families. See you soon later today in this channel.